Step 1. Unfold the wheelchair body. Note: please ensure that the folding buttons are fully engaged. Step 2. Install the controller. Step 3. Connect the controller cable. First, align the side marked with an arrow. Then tighten the white knob. Step 4. Install the seat cushion. Step 5. Install the anti-roll wheels. Incorrect installation method. Operation guide. Control panel overview. Battery usage. Installation. Removal. Charging. Charging method 1. Controller charging. Charging method 2. Separate battery charging. How to fold. Folding operation. Turn off the controller switch or the battery switch. Switch from mode D to M manual mode. Press the folding button inward to unlock, ensuring it is fully released. Fold wheelchair.